Alright guys, today I'll be looking at Trae AI. Trae AI looks to be a very promising IDE that involves AI and allows you to build. This is completely free at the moment and runs just like Cursor, but perhaps a lot better. Let's give it a go and find out. So we're just going to install this using the Windows installer, and it looks very promising. Setup is way easier than a few other free open source IDEs. I'm going to launch it right now. Let's get started. We're a coder, so we'll definitely probably use the dark mode. You can import directly from VS Code configuration, which is pretty good because I can use all the extensions that you guys already have. I won't install the Trae command yet, but it's pretty cool that it has that. And you can make an account. So we're just going to log in real quick. And as simple as that, we have Trae. I do like the fact that it allows you to clone and open folders already. Allows you to set context with code, file, folder, or workspace. I don't think it has the ability yet to add URLs to documentation, but still very good. You can choose between 4o and 3.5-Sonnet, which is pretty good. I don't see any cost to that. And you still have access to client when you want to use that. It also has a builder, allows you to easily build. This is pretty cool, as I was thinking about asking it to create a snake game as the test, and it already has it as an option here. New folder to test this. Alright, and as you can see, it's working on the side there with Claude-3.5 3.5. It's not costing us anything at the moment, which is pretty interesting. I'll double check for the pricing at the end of this video. I'll accept the two files that it's generated for us. Let's now see if we can run. We'll try doing it in web app. Oh, that's pretty impressive. It's created a really good Python game in web. Not so bad at all. Pretty happy with that. It's very good, very clean UI. Probably my favorite UI right now for an IDE. It makes Cursor seem a little bit clunky, so I'm really liking that. I can't really fault anything on this. It's looking really good. The modern look of it is what's appealing me to the most. It is just a VS Code branch, it seems, so you'll have all the features available in VS Code, but it's just a very nice UI. And this AI chat being free. Does it do completions? Let me just double check. Let's go. See if it allows for... Oh, it does auto completions very well. Oh my god, that's quick auto completions. I can see where the appeal is. It's cool. That is very quick auto completion. I'm seeing it now. Name this div as well. See if we can add some CSS. I love CSS. Said no one ever. Oh, that was quick. Oh shit. That was great. Save that. Debug again. Oh wow. I can very much see the appeal of Trae AI as a great IDE tool. Now, what I'm most concerned about is there's some sort of like catch-22. Like, how can this be free? There's no way. Let me in. As I can tell from scanning the Discord, people are not sure if this is too good to be true or not. But while it's free, I definitely recommend using Trae. It's super awesome, great competitor to Cursor and Windsurf. And free is the key word right now for me. So as long as this is free, I would definitely say check out Trae and give it a go. I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and please give this a big thumbs up. See you guys in my next video.